Hi, Z-Fam Mama, and Merry Christmas. Today is our last day of Advent, and I'm here with
Grace and
Mighty Joe. This is a Christmas present. So, anyways, are you ready to open up the 25th?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Let's see what it is. Last day. And the oil is
Christmas spirit.
Christmas Spirit. A great one for diffusing, or use it as perfume. I use this season because I have one of these, and I would put it on, and I believe Anna did too. Yeah. So it's a really yummy, smells like cinnamon and what's the other? Orange cinnamon.
It smells like it.
Totally does. Oh, it's so good. So Christmas Spirit, perfect one for the ending of the 25 days of Advent. Thank you so much for watching. Check back next year probably in 2019 as I start more videos coming to you with Young Living things and some parenting videos. Ooh, how to handle emotional children. It's a good thing. So Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.